Hello future Dynamics 365 finance professionals. Are you preparing for the MB-310 exam and want to become a certified expert in Dynamics 365 finance? Stick with me through this video and I will show you how this practice test will help you pass the MB-310 exam on your very first try. In this video, I won't be talking about what the MB-310 exam is or its course structure, because if you are searching for a practice test, you already know that. Instead, I will focus on how you can pass your MB-310 exam on your first try using this practice test. We know that the MB-310 exam can be challenging. It covers a wide range of topics from configuring financial management to managing fixed asset and budgeting. But don't worry, we have got your back. We have created this comprehensive practice test to equip you with everything you need to succeed. Here is what you can expect in our practice test. Single choice questions. These will test your core knowledge of Dynamics 365 finance, concepts and features. Multiple choice questions. These questions often have more than one correct answer, so you will need to carefully analyze each option. Scenario based question. We have included real world scenario questions where you need to apply your financial knowledge to solve complex business challenges. Case study based questions. These in-depth questions will test your ability to analyze a business scenario and recommend the best financial solutions using Dynamics 365 Finance. This will help you gain a deep understanding of financial management within the platform. Sounds amazing, right? But that's not all. We have packed this practice test with detailed explanation for every question. You won't just memorize answers, you will gain a deep understanding of why behind them. Plus, we have included reference links to official Microsoft documentation so you can explore topics in more detail and become a true Dynamics 365 finance expert. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential in Dynamics 365 finance? We invite you to enroll in our practice test and embark on this journey to success. Let's conquer the MB-310 exam together.